welcome back to the Laravel API series. We discussed about add, update, delete method. So now today we will be discuss about resource thing. How can manage output of JSON. So let's get started. First go to terminal and run php artisan make resource student resource. Now our student resource is created inside app http resource and student resource file. So go at app http resources, app http and it is resources. So now this is added. Now we can change output at here. So for that just return many output which you want, like only 3 method, only 4 which you want. Like I want email ID also, I want phone number also, then I can also add phone at here, but it is not available. But I am in the future we can use that in this. Okay, one step done, and now go to second step. Inside controller we will use student resource class. Like in the index at here we are using response JSON, so we will use student collection at here, and just return. First import so that it not give error. Now check or get all student. Now only one student is available, so first creating some more student at here. Okay, it is okay. I think RAM already deleted, so inserting RAM, but it is not allowed. Okay, I think Naveen. Naveen@gmail.com. Now it is inserted. Now check, and now two data is available. And now if we are using if you check inside inside that we are using simple collection method at here. So it is changing inside output like phone number, email, etc. But if we check old response, then it is giving all data, but we do not want all data, we want custom data at our end. So we can also use this thing inside inside this response also. Return new student resource. When inserting any data, then we pass, okay, like Harendra. Now it is giving only four column: ID, name, email, and phone number is not available, but I inserted via our resource class. So if like we want to change, okay, I am also changing inside our other method. Like we are changing inside so model, and now in the response it is giving JSON. So we are changing. Now we are changing for that. Return new student and student. Obviously it is not working, so removing message. Okay, now if we are checking for like ID2, then it is giving. Now one thing like common, suppose I want to add something inside output, then we can add inside resource, and like at here I want address field. So there is no requirement for change inside output of here. Just change inside resource, then it automatically change inside our output. Like if we want to check for single student, or check for multiple student, or other place. So it is fantastic way for manage multiple multiple API at once. Okay, we updated, we use resource example. Okay, what is purpose of API response in resource in Laravel? It helps structure and format API response consistently and cleanly. Take away create student resource used in controller and for cleaner API output, ensure consistent structure for front-end apps. And if you found this series helpful, then please subscribe to my channel, and if you want to donate, then please scan via this code. Thanks for watching.